Alright, just purchased my Smith & Wesson, obviously, shield. Really, first off, I'm kind of disappointed because it came in a cardboard box instead of having it in like a plastic case like other Smith & Wessons, and even other concealed, even little pistols like Keltec. I have one, and it comes in a plastic, sealable box or whatever you call it. So does the SIG 238 and the 938, and this Smith & Wesson shield, it comes in a cardboard box. So I'm opening it for the first time. Second time, because I got it from my FFL. Here's the shield in a plastic little thingy, and the rest of it is here, whatever this thing is. There's the other Glock, another mag, the extended mag. I believe that's 8. It holds 8. And here's the fired shell at the factory. Comes with the warranty. And here's the shield. It's not that bad. Let me get this out of the way. No, I don't own a Glock, but this is a Glock thing because I got it on sale. Here's the shield, 9mm. Comes with the safety flag, and I like it so far. I'm about to do a cleaning of it a little bit using Hops Elite and Rem Oil, and this is to show the size difference between that and my other carry pistol is another 9mm. Get this out of the .938 just to see the size really quick. It's 938, still smaller in both ways, height, length, and I think maybe the width also. Oh no, it looks like the shield's smaller in width, but you can see the difference in size from the grip to the top. Alright, that's about it. Do some range report next weekend. Beautiful weather. Alright, bye bye.